Welcome aboard! We're so happy to have you as part of our team. This training video will help you have an idea of what Zip Cleaning expects of our cleaners and provide the most detail-oriented cleaning for our clients. Firstly, make sure you have on proper PPE before entering their home. Once inside, it's always best to start at the top floor from left to right and work your way downstairs. Let's start with the bathrooms. Remove the rugs, garbage, toilet brush, and vacuum the floors. This will get all of the hair and dust particles, ultimately making it easier to clean. Next, spray cleaning solution in the shower to the ceiling and scrub in circles from left to right of all walls and doors of the showers. In areas with heavy soap scum, spray specific solution and use a scouring pad until glass is completely see-through. Be sure to clean the tub both inside and out. Clean the outside of the shower doors with Windex. Once the shower walls are dry, use a dry cloth to ensure all products and soap scum have been removed. Rub your hands over the surface to ensure a proper cleaning. Next is the toilet bowl. Spray it down with disinfectant and wet wash clean. Use a toothbrush or small scrub brush for the back of the toilet seat to remove buildup. Wash the entire bowl from top to bottom, and don't forget to wipe both bottom sides of the toilet. Next is the sink. Spray down the mirror and wipe with a dry cloth, making sure there is no residue from the rags on the mirror. Remove everything from the sink and wash it down. Use a toothbrush to get in between the crevices all around the faucet. Shine the chrome with a dry cloth. Vacuum and mop. Ensure nothing is left on the floor, including hair or dust particles. Vacuum the rug and put them back on the floor. Remove the trash and check your work. Next are bedrooms and the living room. Wipe off all flat surfaces. Pick up anything on nightstands, dressers, and end tables. Dust with spray and a dry cloth. Clean all mirrors, headboards, and wall borders. Vacuum and mop all of the flooring. Take out trash and check your work. Next is the kitchen. Spray the stovetop and let it sit before using scouring pads or stick to remove all of the oil and dirt buildup. Remove the knobs, clean under them, and replace them. Wipe down the front of the oven. If this is deep cleaning, spray the inside and remove all buildup. Clean the grates and inside of the oven. Wash cabinets with degreaser and wipe down all countertops. Use a dry cloth to polish. If this is a deep cleaning, clean the inside of the refrigerator. If not, just wipe down the front of buildup. Make sure you use stainless steel appliance cleaner to make sure there is no streaking. Take out the garbage, vacuum, and mop. Check floor for streaks and use just water to prevent this. Review all areas of the home. Clean all borders in every room, vacuum the floors, and wash the floors throughout. If this is a deep cleaning, wash all interior windows and inside ledges. So, you've made it to the ending of our training. Ultimately, our goal is to provide our customers with a clean, sanitized, and detail-oriented cleaning. Your work is a direct reflection of the company, so be sure to check over your work before doing your walkthrough with your client. If everything is fine, take your customer on a walkthrough to ensure you've done a good job. Contact the office to confirm payment and any additional information, and you're all set. We hope this video has been helpful, and we are excited to have you. For questions, please feel free to directly reach out to your manager. They will be happy to assist you.